Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I would like to share with you guys how to prepare Turkish burghul. It's a very healthy and tasty recipe. By the way, burghul has a lot of recipes, but this one is my favorite. It's with the fresh tomato and bell pepper. Hope you enjoy my video and let's get started. So we will need 2 cups of burghul, cracked wheat, 2 bell pepper, 2 tomatoes, half big onion or 1 small onion, 2 tablespoon butter, 2 tablespoon tomato sauce, 2 tablespoon olive oil, and 1 tablespoon hot sauce, and it's optional. We have half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper. By the way, this is the brand I use for burghul. We will need to chop the onion very thin. Also the bell pepper, it needs to be very small. We have to peel the tomato skin and cut it and blend it until we get the fresh tomato sauce. After we heat up our pan, we'll add the butter and the olive oil and keep mixing until everything gets melted. After the butter melted and the olive mixed well with butter, we'll add the chopped onion, and we have to keep mixing until we get onion golden, like dark golden color, and that means this onion is ready to add. That means time is ready to add bell pepper. There you go. That's what we need. The onion become like that, like dark golden color. That means it's ready to add bell pepper. So here I add my chopped bell pepper on the onion, and I saute it. I leave it around, it takes like 5 more minutes. Then I will add the tomato sauce and hot sauce and also the black pepper and salt. Here you go. I add the 1 tablespoon of hot sauce, and that's optional. If you don't like to have a little bit chill in the food, you don't have to, so it's optional. We'll add the fresh tomato sauce and 2 tablespoons of uh, tomato sauce. Also black pepper and salt. And mix everything together. We add black pepper and salt, and we keep the heat on a medium, and we saute it. It takes 5 minutes. In the meantime, I had washed my burghul well and dried it from the water. Here we start adding the burghul after washed and dried. Here I used 2 cups. Now we mix everything well, and in the meantime I'm boiling 2 cups of water. Same measurement you used for burghul you can use for water, 2 cups. You can warm them in a microwave or boil it. So when we mix everything well, we add the boiled water. After adding water, we have to cover our pan and let it cook on a slow heat. So my one took like 15 minutes to get ready. So we'll see you then. Here after 15 minutes, our burghul is done. I served it with chicken kebab. I also have the recipe in my channel if anybody want to see the recipe. It comes very tasty, very healthy. Hope you guys try it, and please, if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share. And thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.